Respiratory infections are a huge global health problem. Unfortunately, by now we all know this. But current samples are a limiting factor. Swabs and saliva only capture the infections in the upper tract. The ones that go down, they are either hard to obtain, sputum, or highly invasive, the lavage where you put a tube into your throat and wash out the lung. So not really an option. I'm Mélanie Aregger, CEO of Avelo, a breath diagnostics company. I co-founded the company together with Tobias Broger, our CTO. We are now a team of 5 and based in Schlieren. We are developing a breath collector that works together with existing PCR tests to better diagnose respiratory infections, in particular the ones in the lung, causing pneumonia. How does it work? First, you breathe into the collector, which has a nanofiber filter technology inside. This filter captures the virus or bacteria and can then be removed and put on a standard lab tube. You turn the lab tube upside down and to release the pathogens. In the third step, you then send the tube to the lab and use it with an existing PCR machine. Depending on the machine, you can detect up to 20 viral and bacterial infections. So then you as a doctor know exactly what's going on and can take action. For example, only prescribing antibiotics if necessary. We are currently optimizing our prototypes so that we can go into a clinical study with one disease by the end of this year. Thereafter, we want to get the CE mark for a soft market launch. In the next financing round, which comes after, we then want to use the funds for more clinical studies across multiple respiratory infections and different PCR platforms to then launch AveloCollect to the clinical lab market. We want to make every breath count by establishing breath aerosols as a new diagnostic sample, like blood or urine. So with this, we can better diagnose pneumonia, also sooner diagnose it, fight antibiotic resistance and the spread of infections, and thereby ultimately save lives. Venture Kick the last 12 months has really given us a kick. So it's not just in terms of fundraising, it has helped us to find investors, but also the experts in the Kickers camp. They helped us to shape our business case. Whenever you talk to an investor, try to get an intro to another one. Second, talk to other co-founders. We all sit in the same boat and struggle with the same things. And third, perseverance and resilience. These are the key traits of successful entrepreneurs. So never give up.